Hi everybody, welcome back. So I just finished up my Three Musketeers diorama, which I'm calling Breakfast Interrupted. All the figures are 75 millimeters in scale. The majority of them were all painted with oil paints. I did use some acrylics, especially on the scenery. Some of the figures have some acrylic on it as well. But I just thought I'd show you the final projects. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this, or at least pick it up. And hold on one second. Go. Let's get that out of the way. What I thought I would do is just kind of show this to you. All right. There are all the figures. And there we go. So I think this turned out pretty well. Now that I changed the height of everything, let me scoot this down. This was a pleasure to paint. It did take me a long time to do all 5 figures. Sometimes I just got kind of tired of painting them, so I just kind of put it aside until I felt like painting them again, and that's why it took, I want to say almost 4 months, maybe even longer than that, maybe 6 months. I think it's taken me to complete these, only because I went at it so kind of piecemeal. You know, painting a figure, letting it sit, painting another figure, letting it sit. Like I had said in one of my other videos, I was just trying to finish up some projects and just get them off my desk. And this was the big one I wanted to finish. And it's done. And I think it turned out pretty well. Let me know what you guys think. Again, this is just a real short video just to reveal this. I think it turned out okay. Let me just kind of bring this up just a little bit. So you guys can see this a little bit more, maybe. Yeah. So there we go. There it is. I'll put some stills up at the end of it so you can see the figures a little bit more clearly, and take some better snapshots of it than what the video is allowing me to do at this point. But yeah, again, let me know what you guys think. Please like, comment, and share the video if you feel it's worthy. And to all my new subscribers, thank you for picking my channel to watch. I hope you like the content here. And to all my long-term subscribers, thank you very much. I do appreciate it. And I will catch you all on the next video. Talk to you all soon. Bye.